Hey guys, this is Sonu. Welcome on Genius. Welcome to our channel. This video I will show you how you can easily patch a game or make a self mod APK which look like a hack version.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
You may have before download any kind of mod APK or hack version game which have a limited gems or unlimited coin from any other virtual link. But from this video you can create your own mod APK or hack version game by yourself. Okay. So without any time waste, let's get started. So guys, when I click on the diamond or coin, it show me a purchase interface from bank. You mean I have to pay it for it? Okay. Click 399. Wow. Then I have to install Lucky Patcher from browser. I cannot provide any link on description for YouTube community guidelines. Okay, my Lucky Patcher is successfully installed, which I have installed from browser. I will provide a others video. Okay, open Lucky Patcher.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, open the game which you want to patch it. Then click on the open menu patches and create the modified APK file. Then click on the app rebuild for the in-app LVL emulation. Then click on the
2000
rebuild app
years later.
and just go to file and at least install and uninstall. Okay, click on the install and uninstall. Okay, yes. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, setting. Okay, we have to allow it. It's take some time for our mod APK is getting installed on our device, so please wait. Okay, successfully our BB Racing is installed, which we mod by Lucky Patcher. So look how it's
Few moments later. Many hours later.
okay. Quite event, yes. Okay guys, let's check how it's work. Wow, you can see it's successfully patched. Click on the coin. Okay, diamond. Okay, coin. Okay, we have to save our patches. Then click on the check mark it. Okay guys, so you can see how it's work. Okay guys, thank you.